Hello everyone, take a very thin comb and then cut it off at the eye level. Now take a hair straightener, curl it slightly outward. This is what it should look like. Now for our next hairstyle, we'll start off by taking a V-shaped cut, make a very small cut in one strand. Now taking this as the measure, take a small comb and then cut it along the same line. Cut it in a slight diagonal way. As for the sides, chop off the sides accordingly, straight out and flat. Once again, make it join along with the back so that it doesn't look all too sudden and it looks like it has a general natural flow to it. This is what it should look like. Next, take a section of the hair from the front. Pull the comb through this section of the hair, slightly tilt it in a diagonal manner, then taking a pair of scissors, cut it all the way through. Once you have made this diagonal cut, take the hair straightener and then straighten the hair as such. This will give it a slightly more waved look. Next, take a small section of the hair from the middle and then that is the middle front. Take the pair of scissors and then cut the hair right underneath it. Now, once again, pull the comb through it and then begin to make multiple vertical cuts through the hair as such. Take the rest of the hair in the side and then chop it off straight down as such. Pull the hair in the side through it, that is the longer portion of the hair. Now take the hair straightener and begin to slowly puff out the hair as such. Arrange it using your fingers to make it look all the more better and then puff it out ever so slightly to make it look this way. Do the same for the sides as well. Comb it in order to make it look all the more better. Next, start off by putting the hair in the front and then taking the center portion of it, comb up to eye level, begin to cut right at the eye level. Do this only for the center portion of the hair. Then take the scissors and cut off the sides using this as a measurement as well. Make them all the more sharp and make a slightly diagonal cut into them. The blunt cut at the top as well makes it look all the more sharp. For our next hairdo, start off by putting the hair in the front and then cut it straight ahead. Or you may also take the hair straightener and then slightly curve the hair by puffing it outwards. Set it towards the side.